And the race on Miss Bobon from the outside, Don Don's entry, and racing from the outside, 13A, Senor G, down on the inside is Fabiola. Miss Bobon, Senor G, Don Don's entry, Zing, Fabiola, in between runners, Dagger look Primavera, also rushing up Robin Good, alongside his Manpower, Lord Gold Executive Order, 13 Green Apple King's Crown Risk Taker is running in 14th. Myth Bobon by Sam Tulangs, followed by Don Don's entry, and racing by Dorelis Fabiola, in between runners Dagger Look, Robin Good, a long shot from the outside fifth. Rounding the far turn, Don Don's entry is now the leader. And Miss Bobon, Fabiola, Dagger Look is racing from the outside is Robin Good as they race the last corner. Don Don's entry, Fabiola down on the inside, Miss Bobon, Dagger Look, Robin Good, entering the last 150 meters more to run. Don Don's entry by Sam Triles, Miss Bobon, Fabiola, Dagger Look, and on the outside, 13A, Senor G, and finally, Don Don's entry. Miss Bobon, Fabiola, Senor G, 13A, 6, Lord Gold, Green Apple, 13, and Manpower. I think for your super sais.